Hi, boys and girls. This week we are going to continue learning about Benjamin Franklin and that he played a big role in the independence of the colonies and establishment of America. This timeline shows the sequence of events that took place with the colonies in England. First, we show that the colonies existed as a part of England. Then the colonies broke with England. They fought a war to secure their independence. Then a peace treaty ended the war, and the new country had to find a way to govern itself. This picture right here is called Franklin's reception at the court of France. Many historians think that without Franklin's help with convincing France, the colonies would have failed to win their independence. Do you agree with historians? Do you think that without Franklin's help, the colonies would have failed to win their independence from England? Give your answer explanation in writing in the box below. And you could maybe start your piece with, I agree with Franklin because blank. And then if you want some more information, you can click on this bit.ly website down here, and that will give you an excerpt from the Sales of France.